Hi, hello. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. A lot of people are actually talking about the IT layoffs and jobs are going to be dismissed and jobs are uh, smashing all these things. Why? Because of there are few reasons actually. The one is uh, US market, so because of the Trump, and the second thing is AI. AI. So in every application, in every software product AI is going to be integrated and automated. Automated. So, for example, testing is completely done by the AI. So, automation is going to be happening with. And there are some programming languages and programming tools and programming fundamentals, all these things which are going to be generating code, neat code by the AI. So, people are not writing the code. AI is going to be generating the code, and AI is going to be solving the problems, all these things. So, these two reasons because of these two reasons, IT jobs are actually laying off. Okay. But still, jobs are available. Still, jobs are available and job openings are available because of the AI. Who upgraded with AI? So, people are actually not upgrading, people are working from since for 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 8 years also. Even fresher also. People are not updating with AI. So, that is the only reason. Please upgrade yourself. Please upgrade yourself with artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, NLP kind of things. So resumes compulsory needed this AI technologies nowadays, even for freshers, even for experienced people. So Mohan's Technologies is going to be giving 30-hour free generative AI classes from November 10th, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And in these 30 hours, you will be you will be get mastered with generative AI concepts. Dedicated 30 hours, enough to upgrade yourself. So in last video, I given the content, I explored the content, but I want to talk to you why people are not upgrading and why people are not knowing about the market strategy kind of things. So finally, please upgrade yourself with generative AI, and this is going to be giving a lot of job opportunities and job openings also. I will show how the job openings which are going to be available for this generative AI. Okay, so let me go. Let me go with LinkedIn. If I go with the LinkedIn, okay, search for Python generative AI. Python is the programming language which is the number one. Even this AI is the number one technology which is leading the world and emerging. So can you see here in the LinkedIn there are huge number of openings like from TCS, from Wipro, from there are top MNCs, even top MNCs also recruiting for AI ML engineers. Okay. Upgrade yourself. You people are working, I know, or you people are freshers, I know. No worries. I'm going to be starting the sessions from scratch. From scratch, from Python itself, we are going to be starting the sessions. Okay. So that's why the reason you please upgrade yourself with the generative AI. And one more thing, we are not charging the money for this. You can learn free of cost. No need to pay. No need to pay money. Okay, so how to join the class? There is a question how to join the class. I will give you the group link in the description. At the same time, meeting link in the description. Please follow that and upgrade yourself. Jobs are there, sir. Jobs are there. Jobs are there, but the person who is having the AI integrations, the person who is having the AI skills. Okay, that is the why reason. That is the why reason people are not able to select in the companies. Okay, so can you see huge number of job openings? Huge number of job openings. And one more thing, can I open shine.com? Shine.com. So here also I'm searching for the same Python and generative AI. Python, generative AI. Okay. So when you search for Python and generative AI, you will be finding a lot of openings. See, huge number of job openings. But people are not upgrading. That is the problem actually. So try to know about the reality. Try to know about the reality, how the job market actually available with, and upgrade yourself, upgrade yourself, and get the job. Can you see in the Indeed also? This is free, 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 free. We are not charging. Really, we are not charging. 30 hours we are not charging. Okay. So in this 30 hours end to end, starting point to ending point, you can able to learn generative AI. So if you see the video, you share with your friends and share with your colleagues, share with your family members, whatever it may be. This is very important message and very emerging message. We are going to be giving Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing you free 30 hours generative AI. Just go through that topics also. I will explore yesterday. You can just watch the yesterday video. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far. Thank you. Signing off.